What if I told you, there are people in the United States buying millions of Iraqi dinar, believing it will make them rich overnight? Sounds crazy, right? But here's the shocking part, some gurus claim that one Iraqi dinar could soon be equal to $1. Meaning, if you invest just $1,000 today, you could become a millionaire. But is this real, or one of the biggest financial myths of the internet? Stay with me, because today, we're exposing the truth no one tells you. Welcome to Wealth Flow, where we break down money, investing, and financial trends so you can make smarter decisions and stay ahead. If you want real financial knowledge without the hype, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications bell bar graph. Section 1. What is Iraqi dinar? Let's start simple. The Iraqi dinar is the official currency of Iraq. And unlike the US dollar, it's not freely traded in global markets. Instead, it's heavily controlled by the Iraqi government and its central bank. Right now, the exchange rate is roughly right finger $1 approximately equals 1,300 plus Iraqi dinar. That means, if you have just $1 in your pocket, you can get over 1,300 dinars. Sounds cheap, right? And that's exactly why people get tempted. Brain, Section 2. The Get Rich Dream. Here's how the dream is sold online. Buy Iraqi dinar while it's cheap, wait for it to revalue, and become rich instantly. It sounds like a perfect plan. Low investment, high reward, zero effort. But here's the problem, this idea is based on a misunderstanding of how currencies actually work. Collision, Section 3. Why USD is so strong. To understand the truth, we need to understand why the US dollar is so powerful. The US dollar is not just a currency, it's the world's reserve currency. That means, countries use it for international trade. Oil is priced in dollars. Central banks hold it as reserves. The United States also has checkmark a massive economy, checkmark stable political system, checkmark strong global influence. All of this creates trust. And in the world of money, right finger trust equals value. Warning, Section 4. Why Iraqi dinar is weak. Now let's look at Iraq. Iraq has faced wars, political instability, economic challenges. Its economy is heavily dependent on oil exports. And while oil brings money, it also creates risk. Because if oil prices fall, the entire economy suffers. Also, the Iraqi government controls the currency tightly. This means, right finger, it doesn't freely rise or fall like major currencies. Prohibited, Section 5. The big myth, revaluation. Now let's talk about the biggest myth, revaluation. Some people believe, right finger Iraqi dinar will suddenly jump from 1,300 per dollar, right finger to 1 per dollar. But here's the reality, if that happened, Iraq's economy would collapse overnight. Why? Because currency value reflects economic strength. You cannot just change the number and become rich as a country. It doesn't work like that. Flying money, Section 6. Who is selling this dream? So if it's not real, why are people still buying Iraqi dinar? Simple. Because someone is selling it. There are websites and dealers making money by selling dinar at marked up prices. They profit, whether the currency goes up or not. And many of them use fake predictions, emotional marketing, insider rumors to convince buyers. Downward trend, Section 7. Real investment versus hype. Let's compare real investing versus hype. Real investing is checkmark long-term, checkmark based on data, checkmark comes with risk awareness. But the Iraqi dinar hype is crossmark based on rumors, crossmark promises unrealistic returns, crossmark targets beginners. If something sounds too good to be true, right finger, it usually is. Magnifying glass, Section 8. Can Iraqi dinar grow? Now let's be fair, can Iraqi dinar increase in value? Yes, but slowly. If Iraq stabilizes politically, grows its economy, reduces dependency on oil, then the currency may improve over time. But we're talking about right finger YEARS, not overnight. Brain, Section 9 Smart Money Mindset. Smart investors don't chase hype. They ask, is this realistic? Where is the data? What is the risk? And most importantly, right finger, who benefits if I believe this, because in many cases, it's not you. Revolving light, Section 10 Biggest warning. Here's the truth no one tells you. People don't lose money because of bad opportunities, they lose money because of false expectations. The dream of easy millions is what traps most beginners. Light bulb, Section 11 What you should do instead of chasing hype, focus on checkmark learning real investing, checkmark building skills, checkmark creating multiple income streams, because real wealth is built over time, not overnight. So next time someone tells you, Iraqi dinar will make you rich, you'll know the truth. Not hype, not rumors, just reality. If you found this video helpful, make sure to like this video, thumbs up, subscribe to Wealth Flow and turn on notifications bell, because here, we don't sell dreams. Right finger, we teach you how money really works. I'll see you in the next video. Warning disclaimer: this video is for educational purposes only and does not constitute financial advice. Always do your own research before making any investment decisions. Currency markets involve risk, and past or hypothetical scenarios do not guarantee future results.